Okay, so here I am. This is Mr. S here with Dominic, a Year 7 student, and we're just evaluating how the A-level mymaths material for decisions, dd1, can help in teaching computer science to students. So we've looked at we looked at question 1 in terms of an algorithm. Now this one here says tracing an algorithm. So let's see how that. Right, so let's have a look then. So Dominic, I'm going to try and not help as much as possible. So always read the question first and let's go for it. First of all, just a clarification. When you see this word int, right, int basically is an integer, it's a whole number. So you can see there where it even shows the example, int 8.91 equals 8. Right, you use that in spreadsheets, a lot of stuff to just round off, okay?
Okay.
So there you go. You should know what you're doing now.
Okay, so first one's probably going to be...
Hold on, read the question.
Yeah. Line 10...
Hold on, where's this? Okay, it
Yeah,
says
yeah.
Trace this algorithm with the input of a equals 3.75, right?
3.765.
There you go. And then the integer part of x equals, right? So let's have a look at this. So how are you reading this then? And I look all around, it says write down the output when a equals 4 points. So write the output when a equals there. Right, so you're going to go at line 10. Okay, fair enough. All right.
Okay, so firstly, it says line 10 and input A. So I think that that's going to mean this. So 3.765.
Okay.
3.765.
Makes sense.
And then here it says...
in the comments, do you think you should write down something like what you've done? Like a little summary. So
I'm going to probably like... I think it's supposed to be this, like...
So is this supposed to be like in English, what you're doing, like saying, so somebody looks and says what's going on? So
like 40 here, it says go to line 60.
So what kind of comment can you put in?
So I'm going to put this, make this 60. So that's going to be the next one.
Alright. But is this not comments like you should be putting in explaining what you're doing?
This has...
So what have you done over here? What comment can you put in here? What comment can you put in here? In there. What could you say that you just did?
Okay, so I'm probably going to put like input, what's it called? Input A.
Sounds fair enough, yeah.
And then next, like 10A.
Yeah, 10 times A, yeah, okay.
Next, well, we've not done this, so 10A would be 37.65.
You just move the decimal
Yeah,
place
just
over,
like
for
move
example.
the. So this one, I don't really get this. So C would be the same as B take away
An
integer B. So
right. So
B.
what does that give you left? What's left?
Okay, so wait, I'm going to get out the calculator. So B is 37.65, right?
Yeah.
Then integer B would be 37, right?
Yeah.
And it's take away.
Yeah.
So
Just
take away.
the remainder.
Yeah. So would it just be 0.65?
I'm guessing that, yeah.
But I'm going to put 0.65 instead of...
Okay.
Should I put 0?
You don't need to. I don't think so.
So it says go to line 60 here because of what's called...
Does it?
Yeah. Look. So
It says if C is less than
print
0.5,
C
is it less
equals...
than 0.5? Or less than
We put
sorry, is C greater than or equal to 0.5? Is it? So then it says go to line 60. So you've gone to line. So you went to line 60. Fair enough, yeah.
So I don't get this though. So this one's...
So line 60. Let's see. Hold on. Why are you going down there? So you've gone to line 60, which is there. Is that? Did you put that 60 there?
The 60, yeah. No, it just comes up automatically.
Okay.
So like
so
6.
I think that looks alright. Let's just keep going. So
Just going to
what do you
put
do at line?
70 and 80 probably.
Hold on. I think you're guessing it there. I would
No,
just
because
line
look,
by line.
look at this.
I would just still
After
go line
that,
by line.
yeah,
So,
after number 60, it says that, then 70, then...
Alright. Never assume, Dom. Never assume. Alright, come on. Let's go for it. So what's next? So you're on line 60. What happens then?
Okay, so go to line 60.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing here, but... So,
What does it tell you to do for line 60?
so line 60, int b plus 1. So that would be int b, which is this one, right? Right.
Plus 1. So what would that be?
Yeah. But look at this. This is the int number. So would that this?
Yeah, but currently it says that's b. So, so what do you think? You have to make a guess. It's saying, let C.
Okay, yeah. So it's going to be
plus
1.65. I'm probably going to add a 0 here. So this was int b plus 1. I can't copy and paste this, so int brackets b plus 1. Okay, so 70 is, let's see, equals c. That's divided by 10. So c divided by 10, 1.65 divided by 10, right? 1.65 divided by 10. That's 0.165. 0.165. No. So I think that this is going to be wrong.
Yeah,
so it's going to have to be 3 digits. That's what we know. So c divided by 10. So it could be that this is wrong.
Well, it says divided by 10, so if you move...
60 was
can you not just...
int b.
What is 1.65 divided by 10? What is it?
What?
What is 1.65 divided by 10?
Yeah, it was 0.165.
Is it?
Yeah. Because
just 0.165.
Nah, because I think if it says 0 on here, then it would probably have to be 0 here.
You know what? The beauty is that it'll mark it for you. But I don't think it's 555. So let's put it in.
I could put 0.16, just 16, but...
That's that point, isn't it? Well, put point
yeah.
You can try it. Better than leaving it blank. Never leave it blank.
Yeah, I'm going to put 0.165. And then finally it's print C, which is would equals. But we tried to stop here.
It doesn't work?
No.
There's a breakdown in output. Okay. And what is C?
I was going to put stop, but so what would this be? So 80 is just print C and stop.
Okay, fair enough. So what do you got to put in there? What's C at the moment?
So equals print C equals 0.165. No.
I think you know somewhere it's gone wrong, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But it looked pretty logical. I think you lost it somewhere. I think around line 30, 40. But
I'm going to try 165.
I think it has something to do with.
I know that it's going to be wrong, but
yeah. But you're curious to see what the answer is. Yeah.
So 42.17.
Just write down the output when A equals that. Right. So.
And then that would be what's called 0.17. So I'm going to say no 0.17. I could put 0.17 probably. No, just 0.17. Another. No, I got 4 questions right at least.
Let's have a look and close that.
So this is what I got right.
Yeah, see, I thought you were okay, and then all of a sudden some stuff happened at around line 60. So what happened on line 60 then?
So I got that right. Did I get that one right though? Like, Oh, I think that would have to be the what's called the actual thing.
So what happened in line 60? What happened? What went wrong?
So it says.
Let's see. Equal integer b plus 1. So integer b.
Oh, it's a, overall, I got over halfway, so I got 65% right.
It's not bad for a year 7 student, yeah?
Mm.
That's for question 1 and 2. Question 2 got a little bit harder, it looks
Yeah.
like, yeah? The question 1 you rocked, though. That was well done. Okay, well, thank you for that, Dom. So what do you think? Do you think you do this enough times you get the hang of it?
Yeah.
Alright, I think we still got some issues with that second one, so we need to look at that.
Like, I think I would have got over halfway.
Alright, well, thank you for that. We'll finish that off there.